Wondering how to place a stop loss order on Kotak Neo app? It's very easy. On the home screen, click on the Portfolio tab. Next, click on the Positions tab. If you want to place a stop loss on an open position, then click on the stock. Now, select the position and click on Sell to Square Off button on the bottom of the screen. Here, select your order type as Stop Loss Limit or Stop Loss Market Order. With Stop Loss Limit Order, you can define the stop loss trigger price and the selling price. And with Stop Loss Market Order, you can define the stop loss trigger price and the order will be executed at the market price. Please note, in Stop Loss Sell Order, trigger price has to be lower than the last traded price and the sell price has to be lower than the trigger price. For a Stop Loss Buy Order, you can add a stop loss trigger on an open position if you want to set up a stop loss while placing the order. Now select the product type as cash, NRML or MTF, that is Pay Later, on Kotak Neo app. That's it. Now simply swipe and your stop loss order will be placed. Click on View Orders to track status. Under the Open Positions tab, you can check your order status by clicking on the strip under the Order Status drop-down. Now, to place a stop loss on a new intraday order, select the stock. Click on Buy. Now, click on the Intraday tab. Select your order type and click on Cover Order Product Type. Enter the buying price and the stop loss trigger price. And swipe to buy. That's it. Click on View Order to check your order status under the Order Status drop-down. Now, if you have any doubts or queries, then please drop them in the comment section below and we will get back to you.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.